Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and welcome to Badass Sides. Today we're making roasted cauliflower with a Date-Mint Tahini sauce that's gonna blow your mind. So here's how we're gonna make it. The first thing that we're gonna do is that we're gonna add 14 ounces of tahini into a mixing bowl. Then you wanna add 15 pitted medjool dates and also about 15 small mint leaves. Next, you want to add about 1.5 cup of whole milk. Then you want to puree this at high speed until it reaches a fine puree texture. Then you want to set it aside in the fridge while we're roasting the cauliflower. It's time to trim the cauliflower. We're using one large white cauliflower, a yellow cauliflower, and a purple cauliflower because we love the mix of the different colors. When the cauliflowers are trimmed, you want to toss them with about 1/2 cup of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Veggie Boost. Toss the cauliflower thoroughly so that they're evenly coated. Then it's time to set up your grill to 450 degrees, and then we're going to roast the cauliflower until they're cooked all the way through and they have a nice sharp. This might take between 20 and 30 minutes. When the cauliflowers are roasted, you want to mix them with the tahini sauce and then place them in serving bowls. Last but not least, you want to sprinkle some crushed pistachios on top and also some dill sprigs. And that is how you make amazing roasted cauliflower with a Date-Mint Tahini sauce.